In a small town, a quirky photographer named Sam discovered his camera could freeze time. Every click stopped the world, except for him. One day, he snapped a picture of a squirrel mid leap. "Why are you always in a hurry?" Sam asked, amused. The squirrel, frozen in midair, didn't reply. Sam's fame grew and people lined up for time stopping portraits. But one day, he accidentally clicked while sneezing. The world paused with everyone sneezing. "Bless you," he chuckled, realizing his mistake. Remember, life's moments are precious, so hit like, subscribe, and comment to keep the fun going.